To write a strong research paper, begin by finding key ideas and creating helpful keywords. As you research, you'll discover more specific keywords that can help narrow or expand your search for relevant sources. These keywords will assist you in finding the right sources. Start by identifying the main ideas of your research paper, which are the key points in your question or topic. These points will help you create your keywords. Keywords are usually nouns that represent the main subjects of your research. Avoid using vague terms like how, the, of. For example, if your question is, how does sleep affect college students' academic success? Your keywords could be sleep, academic success, and college students. Brainstorm synonyms. Think of other words that mean the same as your main keywords. For example, sleep could also mean rest, insomnia, or sleep routine. Broader and narrower keywords. Use a mix of general terms that represent the main idea and specific terms that highlight your focus. Look into related ideas. College students might include broader terms like university students or narrower ones like college freshmen. Database keyword search terms. Searching databases for generated keywords related to your topic will help you create effective keywords. Use long tail keywords. These are specific phrases, usually 2 to 4 words that attract a more precise information source. For example, instead of cancer, try cancer nanotechnology. If you need help finding and brainstorming keywords, visit a Collin College librarian at the reference desk, chat with us online, or schedule a Book a Librarian session. We can assist you and suggest effective search methods.